My name is Eduard Barroso. I'm the CEO and founder at Kualito, and I'm going to introduce to you our MVP or prototype using Hyperledger Fabric in order to give a solution for food traceability and food loss. Very briefly, I'm going to introduce you the sections. First, we have the participants. Those are the agents that we are going to monitor all along the supply chain. For this example, I have created a producer, transporter, and manufacturer. Then we have the assets, in this case, a generic product, and then the actions. In this case, I have named it transaction, and it will record each time that the product changes hands. Let's go to the definition. We have built our model based upon Hyperledger Fabric, and we have different business participants. In this case, we have the producer, manufacturer, and transporter that extends business. Then we have the asset. The asset in this case is the product, and it's identified by the product ID. It has a string name and a creation time. Also, this product has a quality concept. In this case, we will perform a checklist in order to assure the quality, and also we are going to monitor the quality of the temperature. Okay? Then we have temperature, which has different variables, mean, max, and average temperature. We are also going to add some more information to the product, in this case the geolocalization with latitude and longitude, and other variables like the quantity and all the transactions that this product has during the supply chain. Okay, then we have created a script. This script will help us track the trade of the commodity from one trader to another. Here we have created a function that creates a product creation, then another function that it's used for the product transfer, and then all the transformations that can occur to the product during the manufacturing process. Okay, here we initialize the application, and those are all the rules to create the agents, the products, so the assets, and the transactions. Then we have a permission protocol for the different users within the supply chain. So now we can go to the test. Here in the test, as we mentioned, we can create the producer, for example. It's easy. It's as easy as go to create new participant. And here we can put an email. For example, if we have a producer that is a chicken farm, we are going to add the chicken farm. Okay, for example, chicken farm.org. So we can create this new participant. Then we have the manufacturer. Okay, we create this new participant. Chicken industry, for example. Industry.org. Okay, and then the transporter. In this case, would be Maersk. Okay. Okay, now we already have created all the participants, and then we can create the asset. For example, in this case would be the chicken. As we mentioned it, we have a product ID, we have the producer. Okay, in this case we only have one producer, but if we had many, we should introduce the ID here, and then a timestamp for the creation time. Also, we have the possibility to add optional properties, but for now this is good. And then here we will have all the transactions. For example, here we have the log where we can monitor all the actions that take place in our supply chain. For example, here we saw the last action that was creating this product, chicken, with all the registry information, and everything it's on the blockchain. We also can monitor other aspects of the quality, like for example temperature, using a simple API that can connect all the IoT systems to our blockchain. For example, here we also can see the geolocalization and the average temperature of the product. So we can track all this information and check a distributed log that is immutable. And that would be our prototype. Thanks.